In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily turn off auto-capitalization on your iPhone. Auto-capitalization is a feature that automatically capitalizes the first letter of sentences and certain words as you type. Some people prefer to have more control over their text and choose to disable this feature. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down again, and tap Keyboard. Now you'll see the auto-capitalization option, which is enabled. To turn off auto-capitalization on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.